Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can bold text in Overleaf. So let's dive into it. I have two methods which I will show you. So the first one is pretty simple and really cool to use. So you are using keyboard shortcuts. So if we press, okay, so I will highlight the text right here. Then I will press Ctrl B, or on Mac you will CMD plus B, and like that. Now this text will be bold. Then, as you can see here on the right side, now that it's bold, this first line right here. Now, if I do the second text right here, we can use this manually. So it's the same thing. So we just backslash and just type in text BF, and then we will close this with this like so. Okay, so I will do the whole text right here like that. And if I recompile here, now the whole text will be bold. As you can see, it works perfectly. So you can use keyboard shortcuts. My favorite, so Ctrl B is the shortcut, or you can use it manually. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next.